Please click the bell icon while subscribing to get my video upload notification.
Hi guys, it's been long. I hope you all are doing fine. First thing first, Happy New Year! Do comment below how is your 2019 going on so far. I myself am going through a lot of changes, so I may not be able to be regular on YouTube, but I will try to make as much videos as possible. Also, I do not want to get into burnout zone from making scheduled videos. Just keep the notification on and if possible follow me on Instagram for new video release. I will upload tutorials and time-lapse paintings, but I'm thinking of uploading animated videos like this one more this year. So now to the topic of this video. I was asked about my painting process, more like pre-painting process and how I get drawing ideas. Hope you don't mind me showing your comment. So let's talk about my process steps based on this painting on a rainy evening. This style of painting is very new to me, so I took some help. Now this piece is very close to my heart as it has a theme that is a mix of bunch of personal favorites. I always felt attracted to Ghibli's art style. If you don't know what I mean, Studio Ghibli is a Japanese animation studio that produced great movies like My Neighbor Totoro, Spirited Away, Kiki's Delivery Service, Ponyo, Princess Mononoke, and many more. This particular style is somewhat similar to My Neighbor Totoro. In fact, the entire idea of a little girl with cute monsters is basically Totoro inspired. But in this particular painting, they are all representing real people in my life. That's why it's special to me. To start with the painting, I wanted to draw something cute, down to earth, yet somewhat emotional. The mood I wanted to convey is somewhat innocent yet artistic. So I decided to go with a joyful kid's character here. A child with her fantasy friends was a good start for me to begin my work. I got what I wanted to draw. I have the mood and I have the idea. So I wanted to have some inspiration. Ghibli art is sure a lot of inspiration, but I looked further and found some similar paintings. As you can see, these are few paintings I found with a quick Google search, and they helped a lot to create the environment and the mood. This is what I meant by inspiration. It's not copying, but to soak in the emotion of the image and create something of your own. Now come to the sketching part. I had to sketch couple of times and then erase all to do it differently couple of times. You may see a very well organized version on YouTube when people upload their speed painting videos. But to tell you the truth, there goes a lot of trial and error before getting the final piece. Some people can, however, make things really good at their first try. Even I did sometimes, but not always or not everyone. This stage is most important as you are building the foundation of the entire painting. So I take time to get my desired outcome. If it's landscape and there's nothing much to sketch, I use rough colors to create few combinations in small thumbnails to see which one looks best and then develop my work on the chosen one. Once the sketch and outline is done, I choose a rough color palette. Sometimes it stays same while I do the final painting, sometimes it changes. But in any case, this rough palette is like a color guide. Also, it's great to understand how the color combination would look. Finally, I choose a style and start painting. Now I mentioned previously my art style is inspired by Ghibli, but my painting style is just my own. The difference is art style is how the figures will appear or what will be the overall vibe of the piece, whereas painting style is which type of brush I will be using and which type of strokes I prefer. Would it be smooth or edgy, vibrant or dim, etc. As for the forest look, if you have seen my other paintings, you would know I automatically get attracted towards the idea of woods with fantasy creatures. So probably I chose to have the setting in the woods with magical tree lights, magical fluffy monsters and flying fluffs. So that's about it. This is more or less my entire process. I have uploaded the full video with explanation of each steps of my painting process to my Patreon account. If you like to support my channel and want me to make more helpful and fun videos, please consider joining my Patreon community. Hope you have enjoyed this video and I could give some helpful tips. If you have any question about what I said or explained, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great week ahead. See you in another video. Bye!